Alright guys, so back with this 12 Elantra. I'm going to show you how to get the shifter off. Not too hard, but what you got to do is get your, gotta love this tool. Alright, you want to get in between this chrome, right, this little bezel. You want to get right in between that and sort of work its way out. Alright, now what you're going to get is this guy out. So he actually sits on this side, and you got to pull right from here with the same screwdriver, this little tiny thing. Pop it outward. Don't let it go flying. Put your hand in place and catch this thing, because you will lose it. Alright? And before I did that, make sure it's e-brake is up. Take the shift lock out. Push this guy down. A little sticky, but push him down. Make sure the car doesn't roll. Put him in gear so you can be able to get this silver part off. It gives you room, because when it's up, it doesn't give you the enough room to pop this guy off. And it's simple as that. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.